Welcome to our home office makeover series. Today, we explore the art of creating a stylish and productive workspace. Welcome to Sandra Studio Toolbox, the space for creating home office inspiration and tools to help you create a more productive day. Start by choosing a color palette that inspires you, earthy tones or vibrant hues. Your office, your choice. Invest in ergonomic furniture for comfort. A comfy chair and a spacious desk make a world of difference in your workday. Let there be light. Optimize natural light and add ambient lighting. A well-lit space reduces eye strain and boosts mood. Upgrade your software tools. Efficient software not only enhances productivity but also contributes to time efficiency. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspirational home office decor and system setup.